Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make purple egg in Heartopia game Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to have the egg recipe. You can go to the event menu and go to the revival hymn, and you're going to visit the exchange store, and you need to buy the egg recipe here. You can buy it with Spirit's Bunny Pom Pom. Okay, and you can earn the Spirit's Bunny Pom Pom by completing your daily quest and also doing some activities in Heartopia. Once you have the recipe, you need to go to the stove and you're going to select the egg recipe. And if you want to make the purple one, you can replace the milk with grape. But I still haven't unlocked the grape yet, guys. So yeah, I can't make it for now. But if you have grape, you can replace the milk with grape and you will unlock purple egg recipe. And for another color, I have already unlocked the recipe. For example, this orange egg, we need apple for it. And the green one, we need lettuce. And you will need the purple egg to make colorful egg feast. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the colorful egg in Heartopia Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.